Okay, so today we'll be going the Newton first law of motion. So as we know, he has given 3 laws of motion, and that was given in 16. Okay, that was given in 16,600. That's not value, but that was given in that year I'm just talking about. So first law of motion, what does that say? So we'll be discussing first law, and that states that a body is in rest and remain at rest, or moving with uniform velocity will continue to do so. So yes, let me explain you. Like Newton first law of motion just say that the body, if it's not moving or it's not changing its position with respect to surrounding, so this means that is in the rest, and that is not like a body is in the rest. Okay, a body is in the rest, and that will remain the rest unless any external force has been applied to it. And a body is moving with continued uniform velocity, so that will be moving no matter if any external until an external force has been applied. And let me tell you, this law is also known as law of inertia. Inertia is also like if changing its position, so this means that's not in the rest, and if not changing its position with respect to its external environment. And let me tell you, the first these 3 laws are given by Newton, but the term inertia was first used by Galileo. So the term first was like given by Galileo Galilei, but used by and was given by Galileo Galilei. And what does the law of inertia actually now? So let me just write a definition of inertia. What does the law of inertia now says? That's also same as Newton first law of motion or Newton law of inertia. These both are the same. So the property of matter that by virtue which body is in rest or motion. Okay, so when the body is in rest, it does remain the rest, and if the body is in the motion, it tries to remain the same state. Simply the law of inertia, the Newton first law of motion state that if body is in rest or in the motion, it tries to remain in the same state. Okay, so let me tell you, this is very important MCQs. So that is, inertia depends on what? Inertia depends on what? So that would be mass. Okay, its right answer would be mass. Then Newton first law of motion gives the definition of what? This is the second MCQs. What's happening with the moment, please? So this is another MCQ, which is Newton first law of motion gives the definition of what? That gives the definition of law of inertia, as we discussed. Law of inertia. So there will be another question in first law of motion. In first law of motion. So another question in first law of motion, the acceleration would be 0, just because a body is not changing its position, so how the acceleration will be produced. The second law of motion state only that is related to acceleration, so in that we have acceleration which will be vary, but in this that does not. So in first law of motion, the acceleration is 0. So yes, this was